Welcome to our DIY guide on making homemade paper. Join us as we transform used paper into something beautiful and unique. Let's start by gathering our materials. You'll need used paper, water, a blender, and a few other simple tools. Tear your paper into small pieces. This helps create a smooth pulp later on. Blend the torn paper with warm water until it turns into a pulp. This is the foundation of your new paper. Mix the pulp into a basin of water. This will make pulling your paper sheets easier. Gently lift the frame through the pulp mixture to form your sheet of paper. Transfer the wet sheet onto a cloth and press out the excess water. Use a rolling pin for a smoother surface. Let your paper dry. You can use an iron for faster drying. Just be sure to protect the paper with another cloth. And that's it. Your own handmade paper, perfect for art projects or gifts. Thank you for joining us in this sustainable crafting journey. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.